Hello everyone, welcome to ICT classes. Dear students, today we will learn about output devices of computer. Following are some of the important devices of computer. Monitors, graphic plotters, printers. Monitors. Monitors commonly called as visual display unit. Videos are the main output devices. It forms images from tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of pixels. There are two kinds of screen used: cathode ray tube, flat panel display. Cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube display is made up of small picture elements called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better the image clarity of the resolution. There are some advantages of CRT. Large in size, high power consumption. Means CRT produce lot of heat and consume high power. Printer. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on paper. There are two types of printers: impact printers, non-impact printers. Impact printers. Impact printers print the character by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. Characteristics of impact printers are very low consumable, cost or noisy, useful for bulk printing. There is physical contact with the paper to produce an image. These printers are of two types: character printer, line printer. Character printers. Character printers are printers which print one character at a time. These are further divided into two types: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel. This is image of dot matrix printer. In the market, one of the most popular printer is dot matrix printer. These printers are popular because of their ease of printing and economical price. Some advantages are inexpensive, widely used, other languages can be printed. Disadvantage is slow speed, poor quality. Daisy wheel. Head is lying on a wheel and pins corresponding to characters are like petals of daisy wheel, which is why it is called daisy wheel printer. These printers are generally used for word processing in offices that require a few letters to be sent here and there with very nice quality. Advantages of printer: more reliable than dot matrix printer, better quality. Fonts of character can be easily changed. Disadvantages: slower than dot matrix printer, noisy, more expensive than dot matrix printer. Line printers. Line printers are the printers which print one line at a time. There are two types of printers: drum printer, chain printer. Non-impact printers. Non-impact printers print the characters without using the ribbon. These printers print a complete page at a time, thus they are called page printers. Non-impact printer is faster than impact printer. They are not noisy, high quality, sports many fonts and different character size. These are of two types: laser printer and inkjet printer. Laser printers. These are non-impact page printers. They use laser lights to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on a page. Advantages: very high speed and high quality output, good graphic quality, supports many fonts and different character size. Disadvantages: expensive, cannot be used to produce multiple copies of the document in a single printing. Inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are non-impact character printers used on a relatively new technology. They print characters by spraying small drops of ink onto the paper. Inkjet printers produce high quality output with presentable features. Advantages: high quality printing, more reliable. Disadvantages: expensive as the cost per page is high, slow as compared to the laser printer. But maximum we are using laser printers. Speakers. A computer speaker is output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by a computer sound card. We can hear the sound with the help of the speakers. Whiteboard. An interactive whiteboard is a digital device that allows user to project files and manipulate them on a board surface. An interactive whiteboard will only function when a computer projector and LCD display are present. A whiteboard will display whatever is shown on a user's computer screen. We can use as a computer screen projector. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by a computer or Blu-ray player and produce them by projection onto a screen wall or another surface. Mostly in schools we are using projector to teach the students. It's all about output devices. Thank you.
Communication barriers